Hey YouTube, this is Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here with another little drum lesson today. I'm going to be going over how to play the groove in my song Blip Calypso. Now, this is a song I did a few years ago. It's a Milky Tracker and drummer video. If you want to check it out, the link's down below. Or if you came here from the link in that video, then here we are. This beat, sort of like the last video I did about the helicopter cop drum beat, this one is a little bit different, but it's also kind of a linear type drum beat, which means I'm rarely playing any of my limbs at the same time. So, but the difference between this one and helicopter cop is this one is mostly a triplet feel. Just to give you a little example as to what this beat sounds like, I'm going to play a little bit right now. Okay, so basically what this is, I'm just going to slow it way down so you guys can hear what exactly I'm doing. But it's actually not as hard as it sounds. It's actually a pretty easy beat once you get the hang of it. Oh, and by the way, it's in 6/8. All right, I'm just going to play it on the hi-hat because basically if you get it on the hi-hat, you'll be able to move the beat around to anywhere on the drum set, which is basically all I'm doing. The beat never really changes that much. I mean, I do little embellishments in there, here and there, but overall it stays kind of the same pretty much throughout. Okay, so the easiest way to understand this beat is just to slow it way down, and I'll just tell you the sticking and the feet patterns that I'm doing. So basically it's kind of like a triplet fill, except just put around on different drums. So to break it down, here's how it goes. Well, I'm gonna do the whole thing too on the hi-hat in the beginning, just so you guys can hear what it sounds like, and just so I can explain the sticking in the beginning, because I even start the song on just the hi-hat anyways. So let me just do that first, and then we'll go over how to make it into an actual drum beat. So it's going to go like this. Kick, left, right, kick, left, right, kick, rest, both together, then right, left. All right, let me show you again. Time. Kick, left, right, kick, left, right, kick, rest, both, right, left. Now if I do that both together hit and I switch my left hand to the snare drum, it sounds like this. Kick, left, right, kick, left, right, kick, rest, both, right, left. Kick, left, right, kick, left, right, kick, rest, both, right, left. Okay, so now let me speed that up a little bit and you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, so the other thing I'm doing in there too is some of the time, instead of doing after the both together hit, right, left, sometimes I'm doing this. So just doing an open hi-hat rather than the... So that would just, it's basically the same, except it's kick, left, right, kick, left, right, kick, rest, both, open hi-hat. Now, when I switch over to the ride cymbal, it's basically the same beat, except for now I'm just splitting up between my left hand and my right hand. I'm splitting the triplet up between the two cymbals. So that and at the end there, or triplet, whatever that is, that goes on the snare. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just move around the kit for those different accents. So what I mean by that is instead of going all the time, I'll do something like, and then likewise on the ride too. So like, All right, so that's pretty much it. If we speed the whole thing up, it's going to sound like this. And that's how you play the beat and blip calypso. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this lesson and you found it helpful. If you did, let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And I do offer online lessons through Skype. If you want to take a lesson, just check out the link down below. You can contact me through my website. Stay tuned for more lessons. Feel free to subscribe, click like, and if you want to check out my Patreon page, it's just patreon.com/TamonicsSweaters. Anything you can throw my way there really helps out. And yeah, see you real soon.